Hello and welcome back to another video where I try and teach myself something and at the same time teach you guys something. We're keeping up the CSS battle daily streak today, and as always the link to the playlist will be in the description below. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. Okay, so getting into today's video. And today's challenge is looking like a grid pattern today, so we're going to go with a grid layout. Okay, let's first do what we usually do and set the body and align everything to center. I don't think we need to change the background color today because I think it is just white, but we can figure that out at the end. Then we're going to give a class of grid container to this div, and inside here we're going to have 3 divs. No, we can have 4 actually. We're going to create 3 divs with the class of column and then 1 div the class of row. Then we're going to target the grid container, set this as a display grid, and grid, I'm going to set the template columns to, and we're going to set the width here of each column. So let's say it's, I don't know, 100 pixels, 100 pixels and 100 pixels to get 3 columns. We can take off this background color. And then we'll target the column, set that as a background, the gray color, and let's set a height here of 120 pixels so we can see them. There we go. And then let's also set a gap here of 10 pixels. Then we need to be more than that. Let's try 20. And then the height's going to need to be more like maybe 150 or 140. We can also set the bottom row to have a background of grey. And then what we're going to do is set the grid column to 1/-1. And a height of 40 pixels. 35 pixels? No, one more. 36 pixels I think should do it. There we go. That should be 100% match. I haven't even got rid of the comments today. Leave that. But yeah, pretty simple grid layout today. Let's submit. So there we go. If you made it this far, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.